Hello once again. Welcome to lesson 7. In lesson 7, we are going to look at another special sound. Let us look at the sound. Today, we have double O. Double O. Now, when we are reading double O, the sound is oo. Oo. You get? The sound is oo. You get? So when we are reading this, the syllables, this one will be boo. Boo. Why? Because the sound of double O is oo. Cool. Cool. Do. Foo. Goo. Who. Lu. Mu. Nu. Poo. Ru. Su. Tu. Woo. Zoo. You get? The sound of double O is oo. Don't forget that. So now let us form some words here. We have boo, boo, boot, boot, noon, poo, poo, pool, pool, cool, 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 look, look, soon, goose, goose, food, food, tool, tool, moon, moon, hoot, hoot, wood, 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 boo, boo, boom, room, room, zoo, do, doom, cook. You see? So now I want you to understand this sound, that whenever you're reading a word and you find double O, that you have to read it. You have to read it as O. Read it as O. Okay, that is very good. Let us continue with lesson 8. Let us continue with lesson 8.